So basically my project is about carrying food and medical supplies, and I got the idea from the food deliverers who risk their lives and come out of their homes to deliver food for people. So basically drones are more efficient and more eco-friendly than the vehicles which the deliverers use, and also that drones are in the air, not on the roads. And it also will save space for emergency vehicles like fire trucks, ambulances and police cars.
Okay, that's good. So obviously you've got a lot of this. In the process of building up the drone and getting to your final concept, what is the one thing that surprised you through this whole process?
I would say that when I thought that everything was right, but then in the end the drone could not fly because one of the ESCs, which stand for electronic speed controller, was not working, and thus the drone was standing on one leg while the other three legs of the motors were rotating around the one.
How about you continue to build on your project? What's the next step?
I think the next step would be to try and cover up all the exposed parts, like the GPS, battery, especially the battery, because the battery is a little battery, and if it falls, it can explode or even worse, catch fire. I think I can use plastic to build the cover, as plastic is quite cheap and it's also transparent. So if the material I'm using to cover is not transparent, I wouldn't be able to see if any part is not working or not plugged in properly.
Okay, then through this whole experience of being part of the Lighthouse program, what for you is the most fun thing?
I would say finding out more about how drones work, as at first I only thought there were motors, transmitters, receivers and the propellers in a drone. Well, now I found out there's much more to a drone. It was fun finding out how a drone works, and also spending time with the crew in Vivita, because they were actually very engaging and also fun.
Any final words you want to add for the next batch of Lighthouse participants?
If you're selected, you're very lucky. Very few people are selected in the Lighthouse program, as firstly it's free and you can do whatever you want. And also taking part in this program was very fun for me, and I encourage, if you are selected, to take part in it.
Okay, good job, Jeet.